students, in this part I will be telling you about the halogen family compounds. As you know, halogen is the most electronegative elements in the whole periodic table. So obviously they will easily accept the electron, and it is very easier for them to form the compounds. So what compounds they form, we'll see in this part. Here we proceed. So next we guys go for halogen family compounds. We have seen the halogen family all, right? Hypohalides, halides, halates. Now we'll move on to the halogen family compound, which is the most important part as far as the JEE syllabus is again concerned. So the most important compound is bleaching powder, which we already know, CaOCl2. So it is calcium chlorohypochlorite. Okay, calcium chloro, this is hypochlorite, OCl, because it is considered a mixed salt of your HCl and hypochlorous acid, HOCl. Okay. Now, what is the method of preparation? Method of preparation is that pass this clay climb into the chlorine. This will give you CaOCl2 plus water. So this is carried out by two methods. One is Hasenclever's plant and another is Beckmann's plant. Next are the all interhalogen compounds. So interhalogen compounds means what? The compounds which are formed from the halogens itself. Okay, halogen itself. Like here you can see ClF, ClF3, ClF5. So at different conditions, you can see different conditions I have different compounds getting formed. Okay, so these combine themselves as the interhalogen compounds and divided into four types. They may be AX type, which is ClF, BrF, BrCl, yeah, ICl, IBr. Then AX3, like this is ClF3, BrF3, ICl3. Then AX5, BrF5, ClF5. Okay. Then AX7, that is your IF7. So these are known as interhalogen compounds. What is the characteristic of interhalogen compounds, guys? First characteristic is that they are all covalent compounds. They all are what? Covalent compounds. Then they are more reactive than parent halogens. Suppose if I have II and I have ICl, then your ICl would be more reactive, okay, than your parent halogen. It is because why? Your AX bond is relatively weaker than your XX bond. So the example which I was giving, right? ICl bond is weaker than my I2 bond. Next is, they are very good oxidizing property having compounds, okay, very good oxidizing agent. And their melting and boiling point, they will increase as the electronegative difference between them increases. So obviously, that tells me what? That tells me that if I increase the mass, then my melting and boiling point will increase. And your chlorofluorohydrocarbons are also known as freons and are used in refrigeration. For example, like freon 11 CCl3, freon 12, freon 13, etc. etc. So these are some of the important compounds of halogens and their application also we saw. So students, in this part we learned about bleaching powder and the interhalogen compounds, which is the most important compounds formed by the halogen family. In the next part, I will be telling you about the inert gases, noble gases. So stay tuned with me for that.